Maraming nag-aakala ang IMG is investment company. Yung iba naman, akala nila IMG is a insurance company. So ano talaga si IMG? Hi, I'm Janice Sibilia, one of the Executive Marketing Director in IMG. And I am 8 years na sa IMG this coming August. International Marketing Group or IMG is a financial brokerage company. Ang main mission ay to help Filipino become financially educated, financially free, and build a solid financial foundation. So before ako naging part ni IMG, katulad ng karamihan, di rin ako nag-iipon. Di ako nag-i-invest at di ako naniniwala sa insurance. But because of this community, nabago ang mindset ko. Nagkaroon ako ng goal, nagkaroon ako ng plano. With the help of IMG, unti-unti akong nag-build ng solid financial foundation. In short, ito ang papel ni IMG. Una, educator. Tinuturuan ka ng financial literacy, paano mag-budget, mag-save, mag-invest, at magplano sa future. Pangalawa, bridge or access provider. Hindi kami investment or insurance company, but we can give direct access sa mga trusted providers like Kaiser International Health Group, Manila Bankers Life, Ramper Financials, and many more. Pangatlo, support system. May community ka na gagabay at susuporta sa iyo habang nagbibuild ka ng financial foundation, kasama ng mga OFW, employees, professionals, retirees, at kabataan. IMG is like a financial school plus access center para makapagsimula ka ng tama sa financial journey mo. Stop guessing, start learning, join in IMG, and build your future wisely.